All right, so as you can see, I have my ingredients here. I have my blender. This is the milk that I'll be using. As you can see here, I'll be using this milk. And then I have 2 bananas. I like to have my bananas really ripe. That way you have all the sweetness that you need. So that's what I'll be using today. And then all I do is I cut this open and I'm gonna split this. And for me, I like to take those strings out. I don't like them in, because sometimes when you are drinking the banana, you can have, you see these, you feel them in the smoothie. And I like to make sure that it's all nicely, and I just cut them. I just cut them in the blender. So simple. And as you are doing this, be careful with the knife. I'm used to using knives like this. I don't really need to cut it on board, but some people are not confident with that, so just be careful when you are using the knife to make this, to cut anything. If it is apples, bananas, for me, I'm used to using without using a board. All right, so once I cut this open, I'm just gonna wash. Once I cut it open, you can see it's ready. All I do now is just pour in the milk. Depends on how thick you want it. You can add more milk. And I told you I like to experiment things, so I'm using coffee rich, which is something I want to see how this will come out. You can add more to it. All right, so once that is done, I'm gonna cover this up. We're gonna blend. Put this on the blender, set that down, and all I have to do is just start the blender right here. Okay, I think I like the texture the way it is already. Now, once this is done, I like to pour this in a little container that I have right here. You can see the texture. Oh my world, look at that. Oh my goodness, the texture is so smoothie, and you can see how it comes so thick. It depends on the texture you want. For me, I like it a little bit lighter or thicker depending on what mood I am with my juice or smoothie. So that's where we are. So now I'm going to pour the rest in here, and I am going to make a little taste from this. Oh my. All right. Oh, that is done. You can see I love it. It tastes so good. It's creamy and so smoothie, and I love this. I mean, you can drink this anytime. So give it a try. Let me know below the comment section how you like this, and if you have any ideas, also put it in. What kind of smoothie would you like me to experiment for you to see how it comes out, so you can also try it? Because for me, I'm that person. I like to try all kinds of things. So on my next video, I am going to try another smoothie, banana smoothie with a different ingredient, and we're gonna experiment, taste it, and see how it comes out. So stay healthy. And so if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. As always, thank you for watching me make this smoothie that tastes so amazing. So try it and let me know how you think about it. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.